Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video is going to be about this package here. And this package here is about the OLOy, O-L-O-Y. And it's capital O, capital L, capital O, Y, and then lowercase y. This is the memory series. It's an X2 pack or 2-pack of sticks of RAM. So I've gone ahead and opened the package, like peeling the seal, but I haven't actually opened it. Like that's the first time this box has been opened at all. So here we go. So inside there's two of the exact same item. So they pack them a little different than the average. Normally when you get Corsair, there's two side by side in a wider box. This is in a thicker box and it's two in separate plastics. So now each one's going to be the same. It's just a stick of RAM, but I figured I'd give you a view of it so you could decide if it was something. This package here is two 8GB sticks of 3000 megahertz. It runs about $65. I can't remember if it was $63.99 or $66.99, something like that. So it's not expensive. It's a pretty good price actually for two sticks of 8 gigs. And then let's take a peek here. So it does come with a okay heat spreader. It's not like the super fancy RGB or anything like that, but it's got a little bit of color. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there is some red and some gray and then black. So it goes with pretty much anything. It is, like I said, 3000 megahertz. It's CL16. Anyway, I hope that this video was informative and at least a little entertaining. As I always post in these videos, if it did help you in any way, whether it was entertaining or informative or educational, make sure you hit the like button down below so that I know that it was helpful to you. It simply lets me know that you enjoyed this video in some way or found it useful. And then I'm going to make sure that I link up here a subscription button so that if you haven't already, that you can subscribe to the channel. And then as always on any of my videos, make sure that you leave feedback down below, whether it's questions about the product, whether it's questions about the channel or myself. I have used OLOy before and it performs pretty good. I'd say just as good as the other brands like G-Skill and Corsair. I haven't seen it in the long term to know that it's necessarily as long lasting as those brands, but I have run it in Ryzen systems and it performs really good. And it has done really well, and I've had no complaints from the customers that I built those systems for and gave them OLOy memory. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and have a great day, and stay safe everyone. Bye for now.